Day in the life of a 24-year-old making $100,000 a month. Let's get it. I actually woke up early for once because past week-ish, I was waking up for whatever reason at like 12 p.m. I don't know why. A couple weeks before that, when I cut out caffeine completely, I was waking up naturally around 7, 8 a.m. And then all of a sudden, I think it just got cold as fuck in Chicago and I just got lazy and I just wanted to stay in bed all day. But a little hack that I've done is I usually set my temperature automatically to 60 to 65 degrees when I sleep from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. And then during the summertime, I'd automatically set my temperature at 6 a.m. to around 72 to 77 degrees, which was great in the summertime because it's hot as hell in Chicago. But in the wintertime, it's still cold as fuck. And so I would wake up and I would just feel super cold and I would just go right back to sleep. But something I've done is I raise the temperature automatically at 6 a.m. all the way to 79 to 84 degrees without me touching it. It just naturally does it while I'm asleep. So now when I wake up hot as hell, I'm like, I don't want to sleep anymore. Let's get up. I think that's my natural alarm clock for the winter. It's just making my apartment as hot as possible at 6 a.m. And then I naturally wake up way earlier. So good start to the day. Don't feel like a total slob waking up at 12 p.m. But yeah, Mondays are a pretty chill day. Just have a couple meetings throughout the day and that's pretty much it. So just gonna be working on my VSLs. A VSL stands for a video sales letter, a video designed to sell. Yes, I do sell something. Don't worry, it's not a course, it's a software where one, you get access to our service providers to outsource all your different digital services to us. So if you're a complete ground zero beginner and you don't know how to provide any services to business owners like meta ads, Instagram ads, content creation, SEO, video editing, or whatever it is that you want to provide as a digital service, we have service providers you could outsource to work to. Then number two in my software is we have a lead finder that actually spits out leads for you to message. So we give you the business owners to message that are the most qualified and the most ready for digital services. Number three is we have the training, tools, and community to give you the best support and give you the best knowledge to use the software to actually make money by typing messages to business owners. They pay you thousands of dollars per month for digital services. Then you pay about half that money to our service providers that do all the work for you. And because these services are monthly recurring services, meaning the business owner pays you month after month for the same service, you basically make money passively without doing any work because the service providers, my service providers, are doing all the work for you every single month. So if that sounds interesting to you, I just made a free training breaking down the whole process more in depth. So just check out the link in my description. No pressure. I can't change your life. You do you. You can do whatever the hell you want. It might be able to change yours. So check out the link in my description. And anyways, let's get the day started. Let's go. Workout done. All right, just wrapped up the meeting. Next meeting I have is, I think at 4 p.m. Central Time. So I have like 4 hours to kill. So I'm gonna hit the classic pool, maybe the hot tub. We'll see if it's cold or not. Steam room sauna combo. And then actually after that, I gotta film a couple VSLs that I mentioned earlier. We'll see what we do from there. Let's go. All right, just showered. I have like 2-ish hours to kill before my next meeting, which means I had time to film my VSLs. So with my VSLs, they have to be one take wonders, basically meaning there's no edits, no cuts, just strictly record, film, and then upload. And the reason being is because I want to make the video seem as non-salesy and as non-try-hard as possible. Because honestly, like in today's age where everybody's being sold to and everybody is sick and tired of all these funnels and all these people selling courses, blah, 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 people are extremely skeptical. And so you almost have to do anti-sales where it's like the exact opposite. Don't try it all. You just are laid back, super chill. It's almost like you don't even care. And then people have their guard down when you do that because they don't feel like they're being sold to. And guess what? That's when they're more open to actually buying from you. Now that being said, one take wonders are extremely hard. I think you might notice in my vlogs, like even here, I still do cuts and I still edit out pauses and mistakes and breaths and all that. So that means my speaking and my voice has to be in my A game. So before I film like any official video where I have to do it all in one take, I have a speaking routine that I do so that it's super easy to talk. It's almost like I'm in a flow state where I gotta say whatever and it's fine. Come with me to do my little speaking routine. team with Renzo. Success, 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 success. People who act inconsistently. Before I film though, I'm gonna revise VSL script one last time. The last thing you wanna do is film a one take wonder and then somehow, some way there's a mistake in the middle or the end of the VSL and then you have to start over completely. So to avoid that as best as possible, I'm just gonna look over it one more time, make a couple more changes if need be, and then off to the races to get this started. We are good to go. I hit the bathroom, set up my camera, and time to film, baby. I always get extremely nervous trying these one take wonder videos where you can't do any edits because if I mess up like halfway through the video or end of the video, I feel very frustrated and angry at myself. And then every time I try to film another one, it just gets worse and worse and worse. And so what I found are the two things that help me out the most with these type of videos is one, I have to tell myself I am the person that can do it. Like I am the person that can speak in one take, who's super articulate, super well spoken, and doesn't need any edits. So I tell myself that all the time before the video. And also number two is even if I do make a mistake, that's what makes the video even more non-salesy and more authentic. Is if people see a mistake or a stutter, like that's fine. Like I'll just keep going, keep moving forward. And if anything, it makes the video slightly better because now the person doesn't feel like, oh, like this is super perfect. You're trying to sell me something. So it'll be fine. I'm trying to find my tripod, but not sure where I put it. Anyways, so let's get the cameras going. You could just shoot these videos in your normal webcam, but I like to do the most. So having my FX3 as the camera just makes it look so much more crisper. The whole setup with the camera, the lens, the SD card, all of that was like over $8,000. So very, very valuable asset I got. What a day. Super productive, got my 2 big VSLs done, and I think those 2 new VSLs with that crazy new guarantee that I'll be revealing publicly very, very soon is gonna take us to $1 million a month and beyond. As always, I've learned through this series and through entrepreneurship in general, shit takes time. So obviously I just made some new changes, made these new VSLs, but I probably won't see the results of these VSLs right away until like a week, a month. It's just for now, I just have to keep grinding, keep pushing, and just know that all the actions I'm taking today aren't gonna pay off right now today, but they will pay off in the future. I just have to trust in the process, trust in myself that I can do it. Like entrepreneurship is like jumping underwater and not knowing when you could go back up. It's like you just hold your breath and just hope and pray that you're eventually gonna get there. It's just, you don't know when. But yeah, as always, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your biggest takeaways in the comments below. And other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.